Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. This video I just randomly made. I just wanted to you know catch up on one of the thing which one of you have commented. So the comment was about some API call request per 24 hours. So I made a video a couple of weeks back, I would say, about the tooling API. I'll put that link in the I button if you can check that. So somebody has asked that whether the calling the tooling API to itself, like basically tooling API, what it does is it just checks the metadata of the same org. So whether those type of the calls will count against the API request for per 24 hours. So I'm going to check that in this video, and I'll show you whether it counts or not. So I have prepared the same API request which I used to do the tooling API request a couple of weeks back. So before I do the demonstration, so let me go and check what is the current API request per 24 hours. So let's go to company information, and let's check how many. So far the API request I see is in the last 24 hours is 77 out of 15,000 max. So what we'll do is we'll go ahead and run the tooling API request and see whether this count increases or not. Okay, so I have developer console open. I have run it a couple of times, and notice, so this is the API request which I used to make that video previously. So here I'm making a new request by taking the same user session, and the base URL here is the URL I'm preparing. It will be to itself. So let's go ahead and run this and check what is the API count after this call. So I'm going to run this and we'll check whether the request has been made and is it success. So I see that okay, its status code is 200 and it has got the response body, and here I'm displaying the custom object what we got, and here we can see the number of the callouts we made, like 1 out of 100 per session. So everything is good here. Now let me go to company information. It is 77. Let me refresh. 81. So it has increased. So it has counted 4 API calls for this call. I don't know how it calculates internally. Maybe sending a request and receiving a request, and sometimes what it happens is if the number of the record is more, the number of API requests will also be more. So it depends on what type of the request and how many number of records you are making. It also counts against whether you are making it for from a managed package or from the Salesforce to Outlook integration, or be it any other request which is coming from the external client or any managed package. So it counts against that. So here you can see that ultimately the bottom line is the tooling API requests count against this API request in the last 24 hours. So if we have to check this report also, API calls made within last 7 days, this you can find it under administrative report folder. So this is the count in the last 24 hours. It counts like from now to another 24 hours. So if you have done a couple of minutes back and that has gone past the 24 hours of the tomorrow, so like that it will calculate. So this is how it is. What else? Is that all I wanted to show you guys? Yeah, I think yeah. So where is that? Okay, yeah, company. So ultimately, a tooling API requests count against this request limit. So that's all I wanted to show you in this video. So hope you like it. If you like it, give a like, and if there is any questions, please do write it in the comment box, and do subscribe. It motivates me to make more such videos and share my experience with you guys. So ultimately it's all Salesforce community. We keep sharing our experiences, and that's how we exchange knowledge. That's what I believe in. So do subscribe. So let's see you guys in another video. Okay, bye bye.